Yeah, once again, a lot of these drivers are new here, and I just don't know them all yet. It's part of being fun here with the announcer. So our leader is Gloria Lund. She's going to set the pace as the lights on the car corner pace car are out. This is our last chance race. Green flag, and we're racing. Once again, only the top 8 go on. Everybody else has got to go home. And so far, we've got girl power leading it around. It's Gloria Lund. And it's going to be Ryan Ford to challenge Gloria Lund for the lead. Here comes Joshua Zacharias in third. In fourth is Morgan Maushund. Fifth, it's going to be Robert Stoltz battling with the 36, Eric Bennett. Our new leader's Ryan Ford. Gloria Lund kind of drifting off to the back. But here comes the 16. That is the 16 is Joshua Zacharias. As he's coming around here, he's now looking to challenge Ryan Ford for the lead. But that 151, actually that 151 car, is that the S car or is that the, that's the regular 151. That's David Cavan. Didn't see yet, no S on that car. Everybody else, we're bunched up almost 4 wide. We're 3 wide for the Sixers. And then there's a race in the back. 3 wide for the Sixers between Beerman, Cavan. There's a car in the middle. I don't know who that is. That's the Chucky car. The Chucky car is the guy in the middle, and I know he's used to it because of the Goblin 250. I think we had pretty close to 70 cars on the track at the same time. But we got a battle for the lead. Here comes Joshua Zacharias to try to take the lead away from Ryan Ford. So right now, let's see who's on the bubble. 2, 4, 6. Right now, the guy on the bubble is the 36 of Eric Bennett. Everybody behind the 36 of Eric Bennett not going to go to the feature. So right now, that's how it stands. Eric Bennett hanging on, but here comes the beer man to challenge to try to grab that transfer spot as everybody wants to go to the feature. And we got lap traffic already as they're getting ready. They're passing Mike Shipman and the 197 of Douglas Neiswanger. There's the Elgin shop teacher, Mark Conning, getting caught behind Douglas Neiswanger as they are going around. It's Zacharias looking to challenge Ford. Let's see, now who's on the bubble? 2, 4, 6. It looks like Morgan Maushund is now on the bubble. She is. White flag out. Oh, man, a lot of them are going home. Morgan Maushund has got the pressure from Ryan Smith. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, the 13 car is on the bubble. That's what we want to see, who's going to make it in the feature. Here comes the 50, Ryan Smith. He's now in 8th. Oh, here comes Mark Conning. Oh, who knows who's going to get this transfer? As the checkered flag's out, it's going to be the shop teacher to go on, Mark Conning. Morgan Maushund's got all kinds of problems there on that right tire in the front. So Ryan Ford with the win. Ryan Ford with the win. How about that? All right. Now I got announcements to go over here too. Make some noise, Rockford Speedway. There he is, a very happy driver. That is Ryan Ford. Okay, so I got a couple happy birthdays for you here, race fans.